Hello everyone, this is JD with Carmedic in Virginia Beach. We've got a Hyundai Elantra we've showed up today to do an estimate on, and we've showed up and done that estimate. The customer would like to continue on and get the repair completed, so we're going to do that right here same day. And it's a little cold out today, so we're using some heat to make sure we don't cause any more damage to the car, being very careful with what we've got, and I'll show you why. Got some body line damage on this Hyundai Elantra. We've also got some paint damage there on the body line. The customer's aware of the damage. They've elected to go ahead and have me PDR this dent, and they're going to get that paint damage corrected at a later time. Made them well aware that, if they don't get that corrected, that it could eventually rust, but they were willing to accept this repair with the paint damage that comes with it, and just deal with that paint at a later date. So let's go ahead and get started here. And here we have our finished repair. We've got the body line dents. They came completely up. We're able to get that edge, the bottom edge, back out. We were able to minimize from creating any more paint damage from those spots that were there before we started. And we're hoping the customer is going to be extremely happy with this finished product. The customer just was able to come out, look at the finished product, and she's extremely happy with the way the dents came out of her car. I say I'm happy that she trusted us with her repair, with her vehicle, and that we were able to save her from going to the body shop today. Guys, I'm JD, we are Carmedic, and we'll see you next time.